So hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today I will tell you about a new earning website where which you can earn more money easily. Link in description. You can go there and click on invite link, and here is you can directly enter on this website. Then there are options of website to register in it. You will have to fill your mobile number and login password, security password, and here is a code. So you will have to fill up the all information and click on sign up. Then you will successfully sign up in this website. So I fill up my information and meet you again. I will fill up my information after. So I have successfully filled my information and click on sign up. Then and here you can see that my registration is successful, and there are more steps to log in this website. So here you will have to fill up again your mobile number and login password. So I fill up. So you can see that my login is successfully, and you can see here the latest announcement of this website of our company introduction. So I am closing it, and you can see here 1000 TRX are already sent it to in my wallet as a sign up bonus, and there are many options: wallet promotion, join Bitrone millionaire, accumulated profit, membership, global partners. Some global partners are there of this website, such that Bahirax, Coindcx, Genius Mining, Bitman, Binance, Huawei. So I am showing you a TRX license of this website. So here you are seeing that this is a certificate of this website, legal certificate trx.academy. So it is a legal website. I come back in my website and show you. So here is the second option of this website, that trading. So you will have to click on trading option. Then you can see here the 60 TRX you will easily received. Then I received, and the OK, and you can see here my 60 TRX is successfully added in my wallet. And here is the option of share. You can earn more money by by referring friend and earn more money. So here this is a link. You can here copy it and send it to your friend. If he was registered in the website, then you will get a reward. And here's the option of mine. So you can see here two options, that one is deposit and second one is withdrawal. And there are app services of this website: team, probability, transfer to basic, share, notification, logout. So I am showing you how to withdraw, how to deposit in this website. So click on deposit option, and the address will be shown on the screen. So you simply copying the address and go into your TRX account and click on send option and paste here the website's address and click on next. And here is the amount to be filled in the application, and here you will have to fill your wallet address in this, and the transaction will submitted. The 10 TRS is successfully gone to my website, and I am going to my website and click on get the deposit option. And when you click on it, then you will easily get your amount which you add in the website. So I had not gone at this time, but really I got it in some time. So you can easily see that my 10 TRX has arrived in the website, and I will show you the many deposit profits of this website. So I am going to the Telegram. So you can see that the withdrawal limit: deposit 10 to 299 TRX, daily withdrawal to 5%, and deposit 300 to 1999 TRX and withdrawal 3%. So there is the withdrawal amount that you can withdraw in it, a deposit, and easily earn reward. So I am showing you already, and I am going to website. So I had come in website and showing you how to withdraw in it. So click on the withdrawal option and copy your wallet address in which you are withdrawing, and there is a option of quota. You will have to put the maximum quota limit, and here is the option to paste the withdrawal address, and here security password. So I had filled my security password and click on confirm. That you can see that the withdrawal is success. So this is very real and genuine good website for users which are interested in trading and earning profit. So it is enough for this video. We will meet again in our next video. Bye bye.